This locomotive needed almost a complete overhaul. It was sitting in the box for 15 years and all the driving gears cracked on the main axles, had to be replaced. The bogies were falling out because the little pin that holds them in place broken off, plastic, getting old. Then replaced the LED lights and added sound with 2 iPhone speakers. These are those plastic or cardboard attachments I have to replace to hold the truck in place. Added wire the LED light in the front, 2 iPhone speakers in series, adds to the sound. LokSound 3.5. These are the new gears that I replaced on the shaft by pulling a wheel off and pushing these on. Unfortunately, I have 2 more Hornby, but the TGV is JOUEF and this one is Lima, but made exactly the same way with the same gears that cracked on the shafts, and they're clicking on the tracks. These are different way to get in there, so they both needs gear replacement on their main axles. Those are the pins that broke off of the TGV to hold the trucks in. Turn off.